Welcome to the Green Apple. As you can tell, we're on a minefield right now. Woo! Not really. We're just on a trampoline. So now my co-host can come on in. Come here, Allison. Come here. Get out of here! That was my co-star, Allison. And our camera person, come here.
No.
Come here, come on. It's not gonna hurt. This is Kristen. Show yourself, Kristen.
No.
Show yourself.
No.
Okay, good. You want to tie my shoe?
What?
You want to tie my shoe? Get back here!
No, it's my sponsor! Okay, Billy stopped chasing me. Don't know where he is, but, here's a word from our sponsors. And that's it for a word from our sponsors.
Thank you for watching.